everybody. I'm off on yet another adventure. This time I'm doing a return trip to check out the Enhanced Energy System in Mount Kisco, New York. I've already put a video out on my first trip there. I retired a few years ago from a very fulfilling career in education of 45 plus years. I also had a secondary career as an author of young adult novels. I have 4 books out and a 5th in the works. My goal is to spend the rest of my life going out and having adventures and discovering new places to see, new things to do, to try out new ideas that are coming down the pike, some of which may prove to be beautiful and beneficial, some of them which may prove to be just plain stupid. I like to think that I do stupid so that you don't have to. So I've meditated in southern India. I've attended the Kumbh Mela in northern India. I've visited John of God in Brazil. I've spent countless hours in a sensory deprivation tank. I've tried out acoustic sound wave therapy. Some of the time I'll just film things with my binaural microphone so you can see and hear what's going on there. Other times I'll be doing a little bit more research and talking about history or talking about the background of a place. So it'll be different each time, but each time I'm hoping it'll be fun, and I'm so appreciative of you coming along for the ride. I'm fortunate to be able to do these things and also to film many of them and bring them to you. And I'm so fortunate to have all of you along for the ride, and I hope you'll continue to join me, maybe even be kind enough to like and subscribe and leave comments. And by the way, leave comments of what you'd like me to explore, what you'd like me to do. If there's something you heard about, learned about, a place or an activity or something new coming down the pike, let me know what it is. And if I could possibly do it, I'll go and check it out. And we'll see what we discover together. So I'll be sharing as much as I can here. If you're good, I may even share some hairstyling tips, because look at this. So join me. I hope we'll have fun together. I know I'm already having fun, and I hope you'll have fun with me. So let's get to it and see what kind of trouble we can get into.
That just puts a smile right on your face.
This is Hannibal?
Yes, sir. Peace.
And we're off. We just left medical, and we're all approved for plant medicine, and we're good to go. Just finished tonight's second plant ceremony, and I know I don't usually swear, but holy fucking shit. Oh, sorry, Logan.
Yo, if you've seen this in a couple years, bro, we miss you, bro.